Hello, today I'm going to show you how to play Parsons Farewell, which is from the current grade 1 syllabus. So yeah, I'm going to show you bit by bit how to play it. If you need to, just pause the video, rewind it. Let's get right into it. So the first, I'll play the first two lines. How about that? Okay, so as you can hear, the right hand melody is the same both times. It goes like this. So we're starting off in a 5-finger position on C to G. Let's zoom in here so you can see what I'm doing. Is that good? Okay, so we go 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1. Now we switch over, we put finger number 2 on C, and we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, and now we have a C sharp here with our second finger. 2, 1, 1. Let's play that again. So okay, and that is repeated twice. The left hand is a bit different. Let's have a look at the left hand. Okay. It's not a great angle. Apologies for my cameraman. He has to set up the video properly. Okay. You go 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then 1 on E. So actually we're crushing our position because at the beginning we had. That's our kind of where we have a 4-finger position here, but then we put our thumb on E. 3 goes over 3, 2, 1. However, on the second line, that's where it changes. The right hand stays the same, but the left hand changes. So second time, the left hand goes, and then we switch to thumb on C. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3. So hands together. Let's do it one more time, hands together, so you see how it goes. So good. We're going to go on to that next bit now. So we start off with the right hand because it's easier. Is it easier? Actually, the left hand's a bit easier, but we start with the right hand. So now they've actually written that they want you to put finger 5 here on A. But something that you might be familiar with is that if you disagree with fingers, you can change them. Some music teachers may disagree with me there, so apologies if I've offended you. I'm not going to use finger 5 because 5 is a bit of a weak finger. Maybe it's meant to be remedial. But anyway, 4, 2, 2, 4, significantly stronger position to use your hand in, and you're going to land on your thumb very conveniently there. Four, two, two, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1. Okay, and you've got this cool bit in your left hand. We go down here. Okay, so it goes. Sounds like medieval rock and roll. That's what I think this is. This was like the drop. People used to go crazy at this part of the song. Okay, so the left hand goes C, G, F, C together. F, C together, then it goes F, A, F, C. Okay. F, A, F, C. Finger 5, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, okay, cool. So together they sound like this. Okay, so hopefully you're following along. Next part of the song goes like this. So we go to a 5-finger position in the right hand from D to A. And we go E, F, G, E, F, G. Which is why also that fingering in the other part makes sense, because we're using 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1 once again. Before we had it on F, G, A, F, G, A, F, G, A, 3, 1, 1. Now we have E, F, G, E, E, F, G, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. Da 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 da. D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, D. So E, F, G, E, F, G, F, D, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, D. Meanwhile, the left hand goes C, D, E, C, D, E, D. So they're kind of going in thirds, like, but it's separated by 2 octaves. Okay, then put both bottom fingers on D, because we're going to go all fingers up together. Yeah, bottom finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you got that. I don't know if I need to explain anything else there. Okay, and as you can see in the music, we've got a first time bar and a second time bar. So the first time round you go etc. And then the second time round you go. So you finish on a major chord that second time round. Yeah? Do you guys understand how a second time bar works? First time round you do the first thing, second time round you do the second thing. Yeah? Okay. Right. So I think that's all the notes for Parsons Farewell. So I hope you found that informative. If you need to, just go back and rewatch, rewind, or whatever. All right. Bye.